Where should I stand? This is going to be... Good morning! Good morning, Wendy. We're bringing Oscar out. Oscar's going to come out here. Where should I hide? I'll just hide here.
Okay.
He can't get me here, right?
Okay.
I'm okay. Can you get me here? Bye. Do you think I'm okay? These are old ship. Like, I don't know, you tied ships up to them. By the tree. That pig's gonna run for it. Audrey! Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Oscar! Oscar! Oh, the pig. Oscar! Jeez, he's gonna go for the ball. Oh, he's going for the pumpkin. Oh, he's coming for me. Don't. Someone says I'm fine here. Oscar. Mark found me. Oh my God, Mark found me. The pig's... Why are you hiding? 'Cause he's 2,000 pounds and he sometimes jumps like a puppy and his horns could go into my stomach and throw me up in a tree.
But he's content right now.
But he's happy. The pumpkins were... Pickles! Puddles! Thank you for the roses, Susie. Hi, Pickles. Thank you for the rose, lady. Susie Q. Lady Deb. Lady Debbie. Misty. Thank you for the roses. Cat. Ice cream. Michelle, roses. Misty for the finger. Cat, all that ice cream. Thank you. I think he's going to kick off. I feel like he's going to kick off. Michelle, thank you for the wishing bottles. That chicken is going to be supper. Where's Milo? Look. Lovely. Your hair is covered in pumpkin. Look at her hair. Oh dear. Oh, he's gonna kick off. Get out of the way, guys. Where should I go now? Now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go. Someone, thank you for the Dino. Hello. Thank you for, Rachel, thank you for the cloud, Brad. Misty. Thank you for the tiny Deanie. I'm trying to watch the screen and make sure I'm safe. Hello, Samantha. He won't hurt you. Oh, we're in Nova Scotia, Canada. We're in the Maritimes. Who set fire? What? Thank you for that big November and the fire. Wendy, thank you. Thank you, friends. Oh, that was mean. That was not how I want to portray our wellness farm, lovely. Don't... A bonfire night. Yeah, let's set the barn on fire. Thank you for the roses, Kevin. DJ, thank you for the roses. Why does it look so warm there? It is warm. It's warm today. It's heavenly. It's absolutely heavenly. Weeping Angel, thank you for the roses. Rachel Sawyer, thank you for the whipped coffee. If you're just joining, this is our farm sanctuary in Nova Scotia, Canada. Debbie! Where all the animals you see live with us forever. We don't breed or sell or process any of the animals. Oh, it's so beautiful right now. Hello, Toronto. Toronto's where we moved from. We moved from